So let's take a legal deep dive into this trial. Attorney Josh Colesrud is back with us again. Josh, four expressed concerns about this. They were allegedly ignored by the former assistant principal. Could she stand a chance to win this case?
Highly unlikely. So you have four people that foresaw danger here, and you have four people that really told the assistant principal that they were concerned that this 6-year-old child had brought a loaded gun to school, and she chose not to do anything.
Yeah. Okay, but what about, on the flip side, the defense for the former principal? I mean, aren't they saying, like, who could have imagined a 6-year-old child bringing a loaded gun to school?
Yeah, so the question that the jury is going to have to decide is one of causation, but for the inaction of the assistant principal. Could this have resulted? And the defense is saying no, that this wasn't foreseeable because nobody could foresee that a 6-year-old child would do this.
I mean, the fact that she almost died. And, it's still kind of mind-boggling. I mean, it'd be different, obviously, if there were no warnings, right? But the fact that there were warnings, not once, but, several times.
That's true. And, what's also interesting is that this assistant principal is being charged criminally as well. She's being charged for each time a teacher came to her and gave her a warning as a different felony count in this case. And if the jury comes back in favor of the teacher, it's really going to be a reflection of where we are in society, saying that it's now foreseeable that a 6-year-old can actually shoot a teacher.
Oh, that's just awful to think that it could happen anywhere to anyone, from anyone. Okay, $40 million. How does that figure, come out to be? Why $40 million?
Sure. So the plaintiff's attorney in this case would never have sued the assistant principal individually because she doesn't have $40 million. Right. So the people
But nor does the school.
No, they don't either.
Yeah.
So it's going to come straight from the taxpayers. The taxpayers pay for the insurance that covers the school, and that includes liability like these situations.
So, but how do you what constitutes that number, 40 million?
So the plaintiff's attorney is going to look at other cases of similarly situated defendants and see what other jury verdicts have come out as. Also, she looks at punitive damages because the teacher was shot in the arm and the chest. She's disfigured and has obviously some emotional issues because of this.
All right, Josh, thank you so much for your insight. We appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.